Oh my god, my hair's a mess. Oh my god, is that Daniel?
Yo!
Yo!
What's my hair? He's bait.
Catback exhaust for Daniel.
Sure, my flies up.
For Daniel Civic. First time both of us are saying it because I waited for him to get here. So let's open this up. You can do the honors.
I was like, gonna say,
That's
I'm a pretty good cameraman.
SRS from Japan, kind of like Yanaka, but a little bit different.
Which one's different?
I don't know what this one's saying. Don't touch it. Cut away from me.
What?
What? Cleans his whole like tendon out of his thigh.
What is that?
Oh. Oh.
Ooh, it's so shiny.
Oh, look.
I got tape.
Look at the cannon. Oh, it really actually is. Okay, it looks like it gets shorter down there though. But those are just pipes. We don't need to worry about those. That's the res. You don't need more of that. Just be careful because it will mar.
My car won't sound like a fart coming out of a trombone anymore. Yes.
Just a second ago, he said he was tired.
But then I got pregnant.
Well, that's kind of a cheap way for that, but okay.
I wouldn't
Just keep it already there.
I wouldn't know the difference.
Oh yeah, mine came in an actual like package outside of the exhaust.
I am
So-
scared.
Then
Like
just
a-
be sideways, or you want me to do
Feel
it?
like a velociraptor.
Yo guys, yeah, we got the exhaust back there. He's way back there. You can't really tell, I don't think. Look at that tread too. We actually got the green light on a lift at my buddy's shop, so we're gonna use that to put the exhaust on because I don't feel like crawling all over the ground. So, see you guys when we get there. Boom. I actually like the gold peeling off, or the black peeling off to reveal the gold. Especially since it is mostly gold on this side, well, pretty much all of it. Looks really nice. That'll start to peel too now. It's gonna look kind of cool. But that's just because I got my TLs back on. That's a good new tread. But this is the star of the show. SRS exhaust for Daniel. We're about to put it on. Heck yeah. So, let's stop making his car sound like eh. Say what's up to the vlog, Daniel.
So.
Alright, so this thing's obviously trashed. It's been welded. There's holes. Daniel's over here pressing in to make this hole bigger. Got a hole there. It's been welded multiple times. Dude said it fell off. But that's too clean of a cut for it to just have fallen off. There's the rear of the car. There's the pipe. Yeah, this thing's trashed. So we're gonna take it from the top, replace. Let's go, Daniel. understand. But these.
Please do not.
That's cool.
Okay.
Okay, this one will come off. Cool.
Oh, my spine. My scapula. Old man Guido.
Okay.
Oh! Ora. Looks like something straight off a Star Wars Tusken Raider.
What?
Oh, very nice.
Oh, new bumper. Oh, man.
I'll take it.
Oh, heck yeah.
It even has the H word.
EG Genesis. Heck yeah. Out with the old, in with the new. Look at that. Yeah. Fell off my. So that's way better than having nothing. I'm excited, guys. You excited? I know Daniel's excited, so let's throw this into the car already.